Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So today I'm going to show you how to draw and send drawings in Instagram chat using the brand new drawing feature from Instagram's update. It's a super fun and creative way to chat with your friends. So let's get started. So firstly open the Instagram app. Now at the top right corner tap on the message icon. Now select any chat where you want to send your drawing. Now, at the bottom right corner, tap on the plus icon. Now, click on drawing option. Use your finger to draw freely on the screen. You can change brush, color, size, and type, even add emojis or text if you want. Once your drawing is done, tap on the send button to share it instantly in your chat. And if you don't see the draw option yet, don't worry. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. To update it, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram and update it if not, and wait for few hours. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.